Okay, in the states table, which I have open, go to design view. You should not have this ID field. The ID field should have been renamed state. So I'm going to delete that row, even though it's a primary key, and I'll assign state the primary key. Then go back to data view, save your table when prompted, and you now have the two columns that you were supposed to have for that. The add rep table, and I'm going to go to design view. This field should be named date hired, and it should be date time for its data type. The billboard table, go to view, design view. The height field, this one, should have the number data type and the single field size. So down here, this should be single for field size. It does have the number data type. It's just the single field size that's the problem. Go back to data and always save your table. You should have an advertiser form. I'm going to assume that this is it. And it just needs to be renamed. In the add rep update form, KSO2, which is the third one, should have been updated for 90 Mesa Verde Street, period. Be sure and put a period at the end. And then click off of it so it'll update it. You can always open this back up to make sure that it did update 90 Mesa Verde Street. And it did. The database should have a report named advertiser report, and it was based on the advertiser table. So click on advertiser table and go to create report, and it creates it very quickly. And then you want to that and yes to saving, and just add the word report after it. Okay, in the Idaho Wyoming billboards, it looks like you didn't get to this. Go to layout view. And they wanted you to delete the type. And the facing column. I just did that by clicking on them and then right-clicking and choosing. Change the column heading for the billboard ID column and the DEC column to the heading shown in the figure. Sum the values in the DEC column. So to sum the values, click the column that you want to sum, which is DEC, choose totals and sum. And notice it puts a sum at the bottom. You will need to go to Design View and resize that slightly so it'll all show. And then toggle back to Layout View. Change the report title to Idaho Wyoming Billboards. Circulation.